Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can connect your Ton wallet and your Solana Phantom wallet to your PAWs mining app using the PAWs website. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to connect your wallet using the PAWs website. So guys, now you can see I'm on the home page of my PAWs mining app. So the first step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see visit our website. You can see it's right there. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, right here now you have to choose the browser that you want to use to open the PAWs website. So let me tap on the first one, which is Chrome. I want to use my Chrome browser, so whichever one that you have, you can go ahead to use it. So let me tap on my Chrome browser. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. So guys, now you can see I'm on the PAWs website. I've logged into the PAWs website. So now the next step you have to take now in order to connect your wallet, either your Ton wallet or your Solana wallet in your Phantom app, what you have to do now is to tap on that drop down icon. You can see that encircled here right there, and you can see that drop down icon. You have to tap on it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see what's written here, connected wallets. As you can see here now, I've connected my Ton wallet and my Solana wallet right here. But if you've not connected yours, what you have to do is to tap on connect. So guys, now let me tap on connect Ton wallets. Let me tap on it now so we see where it's going to take us to. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can still the next step, connect your wallet. So what you have to do now is to decide the one that you want to use. But in this video, I'm going to be using my wallet in Telegram. You can decide to use Tonkeeper or Ton Hub or my Ton wallet, whichever one that you want to use. You can decide to use it right here. So let me tap open wallet in Telegram. That's the one I want to use. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can still the next step. PAWs wants to connect to Ton Space. So let me tap on connect to give you the permission to connect. Let me go ahead now to input my wallet passcode. Let me do that. This to confirm that I'm actually the owner of the wallet, of the Telegram account. Wow guys, can now see PAWs now connected to Ton Space. So guys, now you can see I've been able now to connect my Ton wallet to my PAWs mining app. So what I will do now is to go back to the website again. Let me visit the website by tapping on where it is written visit our website. So I will show you guys how you can connect your Solana wallet. Let me choose my Chrome browser. So guys, now you can see I'm back to the website again. So let me tap on the drop down icon again. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on connect Sol wallet. That means connect Solana wallet. So let me tap on it right away. So guys can see here's the next step. They said connect Solana wallet, choose an app to authorize the wallet. So you have to choose the Phantom wallet. Guys, in case you've not connected your Solana wallet, I've already made a dedicated video on how you can do that. Just go over to the description of this video. You're going to see the link right there. Tap on the link there, be able to learn how you can connect your Solana wallet. I've already made a video on that. Just watch it. So guys, let me tap on Phantom right away. So guys, now you can see the next step, Phantom Connect. You can see we have two options here. The first one is for those who already have the Phantom wallet app in their phone, while the second option is for those who have not installed it yet. So if you have installed it, then you go for the first option. If you haven't installed the Phantom wallet, then go for the second option. So guys, I will have to end there because I've already made a video on this. Just go over to the description of this video. You're going to see the link like I said. Tap on the link, they'll be able to know how to do that. So guys, now this is, let me cancel out of this. So guys, now this is how you can be able to connect your Ton wallet and your Solana wallet here in your PAWs website. And I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.